In this video, let's talk about when you need to replace your stop bolt.
Safety is always the function and promise of all bonus designs. Beauty and safety are the most attractive feature of wheel bolts. Not only are there 8 colors, but there are also height to choose from, making the appearance of wheels not only more outstanding but also safe. Also, BONOSS has professional design and manufacturing experience. Therefore, it has become the choice of many OEM brands and professionals. What's more attractive is that BONOSS provides professional consulting service before pursuing. BONOSS wheel bolts are made by the forging process. The forging process is formed by continuously strong pressure extrusion, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties to the bolts. The 12 petals shaped on the top are patterned by a large tonnage machine at one time. Ordinary forging cannot form this pattern on the hot alloy steel SCM440, which further reflects BONOSS' super forging process.
If you have any questions about the BONOSS Shelter wheel bolt, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.